Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ads, and that is how to create a good audience for your campaign so that you can generate results for your website. So many of the people do a mistake by not analyzing their audience and run the campaign on broad audience. So in today's video I will let you know what things needs to be kept in mind while creating an audience and how to use detailed targeting, age and gender option in the audience manager section. So let's start, and I will show you in the Facebook ad dashboard how to do it. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, as you know, today our topic is how to target a good audience in the FB ads campaign at the ad set level so that we can generate a good result for our website. So first of all, for doing the same, we just need to create a new campaign, as I have already created a new campaign, and then we'll click on it. After clicking on it, we will go to the ad set level. As you can see, the campaign is here and I'm at the ad set level. And at the ad set level, you need to go to the audience manager section, like audience section, where we can target an audience. With the help of that, we can generate a good result for our campaigns. So as you can see, now we have a automated audience which already targeted in every account. When we will create a new campaign, we always have a age group between 18 to 65 that is already targeted. We are targeting all the genders, okay, and there is no detailed targeting like mentioned previously, because when we'll create a new campaign, Facebook will give us full fresh audience, like a broad audience basically. And but we need to target a specific audience who have interest in our products and are more likely to convert, so that we can generate a good result for our client and a good ROI. So let me show you for which kind of website we need to create an audience. So let me go to the website. As you can see, here is a website which is selling dog mat. Like basically these are the mats which we can purchase for our puppet, like for our pet, so that we can use that, we can feed them as well on this mat. So these are the product which we need to which we need to sell. And for those product we need to find a specific audience who will eagerly purchase this product. So we will start our researching by detailed targeting option. In the detailed targeting option, first what I will do is I will write dog. It is functioning like keyword. As you can see, we have different options like dog grooming, dog walking, dog, and this kind of audience we have here, like people who have interest in dog breeds, basic. So these are the audience which I'll see in first, because I have put a generic keyword dog because my product is for dogs, so I have added dog here. So with the help of that, we will find audience in the detailed targeting option. Now, as you know, if I will put dog here, one second. Yeah, so as you can see, I have use different keywords like dog, dog pet, and find some relevant audience who are eagerly will able to purchase our products. Like dog trainer, I have choose the detailed targeting option where people are dog trainers, okay. And as you know, dog trainers will surely purchase our products because we have a dog mat, and if he is a dog trainer, he already have 5 to 6 dogs already. So if we'll target this audience, we'll definitely get results. And at the same time, I have also target the people who have dog lovers. Like this all audience will be find through keywords like dog, dog pet, dog lovers. I have put those keywords. You need to like think before targeting any audience. You need to think like what kind of keyword I can add in the search bar, so that Facebook will give us the option, like better option for the like audiences. So as you can see, I have find also all audience like pet at home, people who have pet at homes, and dog lovers who are like lovers, who are dog lovers, like who are likes the pages of dogs and product related to dogs. So I have already targeted those audience in the campaigns as well. So for now I will use this audience, and after that we will go to the age group. Now let's come to the age section. As you can see, in the age section I have targeted the people whose age is above 25, because in all the families, like below 25 people are not the decision makers, like they will not able to purchase a product on their own. So I think it will be good if we will target people who have the decision makers in the family, like who have the age, who can make any decision. Like if they want to purchase a product, they can directly purchase. And I think age of 25 people will easily purchase any product without noticing other people or other things. So as you can see, I have targeted the age group here, and I have targeted the age group 25 to 55. I have targeted the gender, like men and women both, because dog lovers are also men and as women as well. So both the gender can be targeted here. But if, let me give you an example, if you are running ads for baby products, like you can say, if you, let's take an example, if we'll sell a breast pump for babies. So as you know, breast pump will only used by women, so there is like no benefit of targeting men there. There are chances that some men will purchase that product for their wife, but the major chances that woman is the only person who will purchase that pump, like breast pump. So in that case I will only target women. So this is how we need to think when we targeting any campaign. We need to think all the expect, like what kind of people like able to purchase our product easier, what kind of gender, what kind of age group will able to like get sale. So these all things should be noticed. And at the location part, you just need to add a location, like your targeting location. If you think, if you are targeting United States, you can put it here. If you're targeting Canada, you can target here. So this all thing will be done here. Like you need to do a detailed analysis before targeting any audience, otherwise your campaign will fail and you will not able to get like uh, desired results. So that's why I'm saying always, like please do a research before targeting an audience. And as you can see, I have researched it, what kind of people I want to target, what kind of detailed targeting option we have. I have put different keywords here, as you can see, different keywords here, and then I will find some audience, like the best audience who will purchase our product easier. So this is how we do it. This is how we'll create a specific audience for our product to get better and better results. So after that I will also save this audience so that it can easily shown here. As you can see, I have targeted the age group and people who match this interest. After that, you can do one thing also. If you think you want to target people who are like only using like iPhones, like iPhone devices, okay, like iOS devices. If you want to target people only who are using Android devices, you can also do it here. I will also prefer iOS devices, because if I talk about different marketings, let's take an example. If we talk about US marketing, so I think iOS is the very good option if you want to generate good result, because mostly people are using iOS devices in USA. So that's why, so it's up to you. I'm just giving you an example so that you can target the same in your campaign. Okay, so this kind of stuff we will see here, like what kind of audience targeting, device targeting, placements. As you can see, if you think you are like you will only get purchase from Facebook feed, you can only choose Facebook feed here. If you think Instagram feed, Facebook feed will give you the best result, you can choose it here. if you think reels and stories is the only placement where you can get results, so you can target here. So all the things will be done here. This is how we do it. This is how we do a detailed analysis about a product, and then accordingly I will find some audience for that and then target it in the campaign, and with the help of that we will definitely generate results. So this is how we do it. Thank you so much for watching my video.